Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I have explained how to convert a decimal number to a binary number and how to convert a decimal fraction to a binary number. And in today's video, I am going to explain you how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. Let us take an example. So here 1110 is a binary number. You have to find its equivalent decimal number. So how to find its equivalent decimal number? What is the first step? So first step is, first of all, you have to assign 2's power to each given digit. For example, assign 2 to the power 0 to first digit, and next 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. Now what next? After assigning all these values, first of all, find out what is the value of 2 to the power 0. What is the value of 2 to the power 0? 2 to the power 0 is 1. We know that any number which has power 0 is always equals to 1. So 3 to the power 0 is always 1, and 4 to the power 0 is also 1. Similarly, 5 to the power 0, 6 to the power 0, 7 to the power 0 is always 1. Any number which has power 0 is always equals to 1. Now, what is the value of 2 to the power 1? 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 1. So, 2 ones are 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Now what is the value of 2 to the power 2? 2 to the power 2 is what? Multiply 2 2's are. Now what is the value of 2 to the power 3? Multiply 2 3 times. Multiply 2 3 times. What you will get here, students? You will get 2 2's are 4, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Here you will get 2 2's are 4. And this you will multiply with 1. 2 1's are 2. Similarly, you have to find the value of 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 6. Now what is the next step? After finding its value, you have to multiply that value with each given digit. 2 to the power 0, 1 will be multiplied with this 0. 2 to the power 1 is 2. That will be multiplied with this given digit. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 will be multiplied with this given digit. Next 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 8 will be multiplied with this digit. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 will be multiplied this given value 1. 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 32 will be multiplied with 1. And 2 to the power 6 is 64. That will be multiplied with 1. So we can write this equation like 1 into 2 to the power 6. Yes, 1 into 2 to the power 6. Then add next digit 1 into 2 to the power 5, 1 into 2 to the power 5, then plus 1 into 2 to the power 4, then again plus 0 into 2 to the power 3, then plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Now simplify this equation. Write down what is the value of 2 to the power 6, what is the value of 2 to the power 5, value of 2 to the power 4. Here you can write directly 0. In next step, Otherwise you can simplify it like 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 into 0 you can write. Otherwise you can write 0 directly. Now 2 to the power 2 is 4. You can write this equation like 1 into 2 to the power 6 is 64. 1 into 64 plus as it is 1 into 32 plus as it is 1 into 16 plus as it is 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. And simplify this value now. 64 ones are 64, 32 ones are 32, 16 into 1 16, 8 zeros are 0, 1 into 4 4, 1 into 2 2 and 0 into 1 0. Now add these all values 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 and you will get answer as 118. So the decimal equivalent of given binary number is 118 and you can represent this number by base 10. You can represent this number by base 10. Let us take another example. This is the second example that we will solve. 1001101 to the base 2. Here we have to convert this binary number into a decimal number. So what is the first step, students? Assign 2's power to each given digit. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 6. Now you know that 2 to the power 0 is 1. Multiply 1 with this given digit 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2, but here 0 is there. When you multiply this value with 0, you will get 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Multiply 4 with this 1. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Multiply 8 with 1. Here 0 is there, so no need to simplify this. So directly you can write 0. Here also you can directly write 0. Now 2 to the power 6 is 64. Multiply 64 with 1. Now you can write this in equation form. 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, then 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now you can simplify this. 2 to the power 6 is 64. Here no need to find out the value. You can write directly 0. Here also you can write directly 0. 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 4, 2 and 1. Now multiply 1 into 64, 1 into 8, 1 into 4 and 1 into 1 and add these values. From here you will get 64. From here 0, 0, 8, 4, 0 and 1 you will get here. Add these all values. After adding these all values, you will get answer 77. So here decimal equivalent of this given binary number is 77 and you can write this number in 77 base 10.